So I haven't seen this anywhere on the internet, but I've trouble with in this season with the leaves falling, especially um, the filters being plugged on my pond, and so as a temporary, I just threw that there. It happens to be a barbecue or cover for a little fire pit, and the leaves just float in and they get kind of stuck on the side of it. And then once a day I emptied it. That way I don't have to empty the little pod filter or the other filters through leaves, because I can do it several times a day. So I've got that going and that works very well. If I get a lot of leaves there, the water goes under it and inside, so it just captures the leaves on the surface. Um, and we have the pump on low right now, so it's not collecting all the leaves, but it does a pretty good job. Once a day, I got the rope looped through it, or the wire, because that's all I had at the moment, so I can just pull it up on top, empty the leaves off of it, and drop it back in. So the intake's covered. As you can see, it does a real good job, so I don't have to clean the filter every day when the leaves are falling every time I turn around. So I don't have a full cover. And the other thing I've done is I just added a pool heater. Works really well. It looks like it's only going to take me about 2 weeks to heat my pool up, and I'll be able to use it normally not before June, but it looks like I'll be using it long before April, so it's nice. And this is my pool heater. So, and I got a little do a little hose dressing there, but with it sitting out in the sun like that, it helps with the heater. So, I mean, here it is, the last week of March or February, and the water is already 70 degrees in here. And I hooked it up so it runs with everything else. My intakes are here through the pump, through the big filter and back, and then it goes off to the pool valve. There was this spigot here, and I adapted it, turned it on, and it just pushes water through my solar heater. So anyway, thought I'd see this. I didn't see anywhere on YouTube where anybody was doing anything like this, and it just works so good. To empty it, I just pull it up like this, and it grabs the leaves and brings them up, and then I just hose it off. So anyway, it keeps me from having to empty that multiple times a day. It gets 90% of the big stuff. Anyway, thought you'd like to see that. It'd be nice if I had something besides that. I can make something, but that's all I had at the moment, and worked great as an experiment. Hopefully you get ideas from it. Okay,